Hey, we're at the 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. The 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. We're looking at their one bedroom. I'm Grant Bynum. I'm the owner of this channel that's run by Uptown 101, Best Dallas Apartments. So now let's go look at the bedroom and bathroom of the one bedroom model. So looking inside, wow, this is really pretty. This is dual sinks. Love the dual sinks here. Love this look and feel here. This is amazing. I love the lighting. Just simple, elegant, clean quartz. And then look at this wonderful shower. It's not only a shower, but it has a bench to sit. This is just going to be gorgeous living for you. You're going to absolutely love it. Wow. Okay. This closet is massive. It's very, very long. You've got a lot of storage space in here. Man, this is almost as, wow, this is just very, very massive. I love it over here. And they do have a stackable washer dryer that's there. There is also, this is the bedroom, of course. And the bedroom here is really cute. Now, this is more of a kind of a double or full bed. Maybe even, well, is that a queen? No, it's really more full or double. So you could do a queen in here. I think a king might be stretching it, but a queen would be fine. And then you do have some almost floor to ceiling windows in here too. This is an adorable bedroom, and it's inside a really nice space with just so much to enjoy. I think this is a really cool apartment. I think it's definitely worth checking out. Hey, if you're ready to take the next step and get some pricing and availability, or you just want to ask questions about this area or just about Dallas, living in Dallas, send me a text. That's the quickest way to get information that's reliable, accurate, and very, very fast. So send me a text, use the number below. That'll go directly to me. You can do it 24/7, and I'll respond super quick. Now we're going to film a couple of just really quick walkthroughs of this really pretty one bedroom. So if you're seeing the walkthroughs of the really quick ones that you're about to see, those are just quick versions of this. So you don't need to, maybe see both. It's up to you. Okay, that's it for this video. Look forward to hearing from you.